Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a Mango Math lesson from our Money Matters Math Kit. So this lesson is all on deals and steals, meaning we need to figure out division of an amount or a fractional proportion of an amount, or a percent of an amount, and figure out what our discount is and how much we've saved. So this has the information on the front of the sheet that's in the pouch, has the information for the adult, which includes their supplies that are in there, teaching tips, guided questions, and the objective. And then on the back side is a step-by-step directions on how to play the game. And this game can be played two different ways. But to start, we're going to start with the basic way, a very simplistic way to play this game. So students will have counters and they'll have this board. And I would suggest having the kids play together on this and solve these problems together, because it's a great way for them to learn, and they get far more information by doing this as a team. So you will see on this board are lots of different food products. So they're pretending that they're at a grocery store, and these are the different items they can buy. Now the items have different discounts to them. So if you see this cookie here, you'll see that you can have 3 for $1.20, or you can buy 2 at 75 cents each and get a third one free, or you can get 50% off of $1, off of the $1. So these are different options for this cookie. The price of the cookie is on the board, and the arrows tell you what direction each of that is giving the deal. So the arrow away from the product is the deal. So if you look at this pizza here, you can get 3 slices for $3.33, or you can get 8 slices for $12. The students have to determine what is the better deal. So let's say, and they might not know right off the top, so let's just say they decide to go with 3 slices for $3.33. So they're going to move this way, and they're going to see that the item, we're going to write in here that the item was pizza. Use my penmanship on this computer. Pizza, and the cost of one piece of pizza is $2. My decimal point in there. You can see it's $2. The discounted price, which I'm going to say, all right, I had 3 slices for $1 or $3.33. So 1 slice, my discount price is $1.11. So I'm going to then subtract those two to get my savings, which is going to be 89 cents. So that's my savings. So they're going to just move around the board, selecting items and determining what the discount they're getting. So they're going to be collecting items around the board. So they don't have to stay on this hot dog. They can go to another item on the board, wherever they want to go, to figure out what food products they want and what discounts they will be getting on it. So remember, it's the arrow away from the food item that they are to be following. So that's one way to play it. And they'll collect 10 items. They'll figure out the cost and the discount, how much they're saving. And at the end, they'll determine who has saved the most money, and that person wins that round. Now, the other way that you can play this game, I'm going to erase this, is that you have to make your way around the board, which you're starting at the cookie, and you have to collect 12 items and going in whatever direction, but you're going to follow the arrows to the next item and continue around the board, collecting 12 items and then getting to checkout. So you have to follow around the board, following the arrows and the directions that they get, collecting all 12 items, and then getting back to the checkout. So you will have to find out what route is the best route that you think you can take to get 12 items and get out. So this one has a little bit more strategic thinking because you also want to have the best deal when you get out, but you are going to follow the directions of the arrows in this game to the next space on the board. So a little bit more thought goes into this because you have to plan where you're going. Unlike the first version where you get to just choose whatever items you want. So there is not any set pattern to it. You just get to go anywhere on the board. So enjoy the game.